back to Get Your Sax Together. I hope you had a great week. I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson, and this week I'm going to teach you how to play one of the most iconic and famous sax solos of all time, and that is Edgar Winter's tenor sax solo on The Best by Tina Turner. I can't wait to teach you this one. I'm lucky enough to stand in on the London production of Tina the Musical, and it's one of the favourite gigs I'll ever do because right at the end, at the climax of the show, Tina's singing The Best, and you jump off the riser, run right down to the front of the stage, spotlight on you, Tina points straight to you, and you rip into this solo, this famous solo on The Best. And the crowd goes wild, and just for a fleeting moment, you feel like a rock sax hero. Yes. Anyway, all that aside, let's get on with learning this tune. This is a very, very, very famous, one of the most famous, surely, sax solos of all time. I've broken it down into little short bite-sized chunks for you so we can learn it, as we usually do in this channel. And I've got the fingerings up there for alto and tenor. Make sure you go down into the description, click that link and get your free PDF transcription. Print it off and follow it along as we learn this solo because all the phrases are marked in with numbers underneath. It's pretty damn cool, man. So let's get on with it. Here is the first phrase played at a nice, easy tempo for you. Here we go. One of the things that Edgar Winter is famous for in this solo is that really growly sound. So if you go up to the card link there, I teach you exactly how to get that growly sound on sax that you can apply in this solo. So let's move on now to the second phrase. Nice short one this. Here we go. Third phrase is a bit longer. Now this has got lots of scoops into the notes. Now last week I taught you exactly how you can do scoops, bends, falls, you name it, the whole shooting match. So go up to the card link now and that video will teach you how to do all these scoops and bends correctly depending on the context of the solo. So the third phrase has got lots of scoops up, it's also got a bend down, and at the end it's got a long glissando off. So it's got a whole shed load of different falls and bends and scoops. So make sure you go and check out that video. Here is the third phrase, slightly longer. Here it is broken down for you. Phrase 4, more fall-offs. This whole solo's got loads of fall-offs. Here we go, phrase 4. And finally, phrase 5, just when you thought it was safe to peep above the parapet. No, he finishes off the whole solo with a double E. Yep, that's an octave above the third ledger line E. So have a little look at the fingerings. Well, it's an E for tenor. On alto, it's a B. So have a look at the fingerings next to the music when we do this. Here is the final phrase. So stringing this whole bad boy together, it should sound a little bit like this. I haven't got a backing track for this one, but everyone knows it, right? You know what the music's like. So here is my performance of it with the notes written on the side for alto and tenor. Hope you enjoy this. Here we go. That's all we've got time for this week. Another one in the bag, another classic, bona fide sax classic. Taught to you with exactly the right notes and a very accurate transcription that you can get by going down into the description, click the link to get your very own PDF, which is something you can treasure, laminate, keep it under your pillow, put it on your wall. It's a work of art, man. So go and get your PDF. Now, if you're enjoying the channel, you can give a little bit back to me and help me keep things going this end by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment, get interactive. I'd love to hear from you guys. Go and check out my Instagram feed. And all that stuff will feed back to me and I can keep making these really awesome videos for you to learn sax classics that I love teaching to use, and that's what it's all about. Okay, next week, more great stuff. Keep practicing, keep working on the solos, and I'll see you there. See you later, people. Bye.